Alright, so just showing you how I'm making these breadboard circuit wires. Just for the meantime, while I wait for I ordered some online. It's probably the best thing to do because it takes a while to do this, unless you want to practice your soldering or something. But I just using like the leg of a resistor here, and I've just put it in with this wire, like frayed the wire out and twisted it together. To show you with another resistor. Trying to cut it. I actually cut it a bit short, but I'm trying to cut it not too short so I can still use the resistor. So there's that leg. Where did it go? But you've probably got some lying around if you've been doing some electronics stuff. But just gonna fray just gonna fray these wires and then put the thing in. Twist it. I know my hand's really blocking it, isn't it? But see? It's not really that easy to see, but and then I'm just going to solder. It's probably best to do one at a time because I just lost the other one, didn't I? See if I can solder this one. That's pretty easy. So there it is. I know you probably can't see it still, but you could just add some heat shrink, or I'm just going to electrical tape it. Okay, so just going to fray the wires. Shut this in. And twist the wires. Okay. Definitely a bit too time consuming for my liking. If you want to get into it and like me, you're still waiting for yours to arrive, then God, why can't I get it to work now? There we go. Got that. So just going to solder it again. Okay. It's a thick solder. That's pretty much it. Probably not the best video in the world, but just thought I'd show you for now how I'm doing it till I get some. And the problem with the wire, if you do have, like, I think it's called solid core wire. That's good stuff to use, but this wire with like heaps of strands and stuff, kind of, you can't really push into the breadboards. You can, but it's a lot of messing about. So cheers for watching.